Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today we'll discover how to test emails in Java Spring Boot. Before sending emails in Java Spring Boot, it's important to test them to identify email sending issues, check the spam score, or make sure the HTML script doesn't contain excessive unsupported elements. This can easily be done using an email sending script and a testing tool such as Mailtrap Email Testing. It's an email sandbox that captures all the SMTP traffic from staging, QA, and dev environments to inspect and debug emails without spamming recipients. Head over to mailtrap.io and click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Choose the method of registration, fill in the necessary fields, and click on the Sign Up button. Navigate to Email Testing and open the desired inbox. Click Show Credentials to access your SMTP credentials such as host, port, username, and password. In your Spring Boot project, open the Application Properties file. Configure SMTP settings by copying SMTP credentials from the Mailtrap account and pasting them into the script. Now we need to create a service. We'll name it Email Service. Declare that this class should be managed as a service bean with @service annotation. Inject Java Mail Sender into your service. Write a send email method and pass to, subject, and body parameters as strings. Build the message using the simple mail message object and configure set from, set to, set subject, and set text methods. Finally, add the send method that will be responsible for sending the email. The service is ready, and it's time to create a controller. We'll name it Email Testing Controller. Declare email service as private and final, and inject it into the constructor. Define the send email test method and specify the values of the to, subject, and body parameters. Add the return line. Build the project and run the code. Then execute the endpoint. Open your Mailtrap virtual inbox. The email has successfully arrived. That's it. You can now explore HTML, HTML source, text, raw, spam analysis, and tech info tabs to analyze various aspects of your emails. Once all the tests are complete, send your emails in production with an email sending solution, one like Mailtrap Email Sending. For more instructions on that, watch our videos on sending emails with Spring Boot. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.